Oh yeah, listen to that. Those shocks are dialed. So I have been down for the count with a pretty bad case of the flu. I guess it was flu B. Took me out for about a week at least, and I'm still recovering. Whew. Goes to show how important health is, that's for sure. But I'm able to function at least now, and I'm going to test out this new Truggified Typhon. Cannot wait. So join me for my first maiden voyage with it. This is part 3 of a 3-part series. The first one being where I bought and explained the plan and took apart this used Arrma Typhon. The second part was when I built it back up with new custom parts and made it into a Truggified Typhon. And now part 3 is the test run. So come along for the ride. So over here at the usual best bashing spot around, RC Madness. Oh no, already something. So this body is catching on that. I'm gonna need to change the body. Luckily I brought another one. I'm gonna have to cut that out better. Actually, I forgot, I did bring scissors. There, that should be good. Yes, you gotta kind of cram this body on. I had to take off the motor fan. I'm gonna have to change that out because the heat sink on this Arrma heat sink is too big. So I got a different one I'll try. And the battery's tight and everything, so let's see how this goes. Much better. So this morning I calibrated this new ESC and put it on max punch setting. Should help because those smaller belted tires are gonna, I would imagine, make it a little hard to wheelie and backflip and stuff, but then again it does have a pretty short wheelbase. I don't know, we'll see. I know Flipside, his channel, he had some trouble flipping. Ironically, he had some trouble flipping his Truggified Typhon. So we'll see. He had these tires on it. Try a little jumping. Oh my God. Totally nose heavy. So it likes to nosedive, that's for sure. That was a little better. Maybe it's this jump. Try a different jump. Ooh. And turn down the brake a little bit. That's good. Starting to get the hang of it here. Oh, that jump. It's that jump. It kicks you up. Time to switch out of that jump. Yeah, this thing's awesome, guys. So I haven't named it yet, but I got an idea. Because this is not really fully gray, even though the paint is called Corsa Gray. It's got kind of a bluish look, bluish gray. So I'm gonna call it Blue Steel. Nice. This thing handles nicely. It is super planted. That wide stance. That's awesome. Love it. All right, getting a little more confident, as you can see. Too confident. I'll try a backflip, don't worry, guys. What the hell was that? Wow, that was nuts. So far, she's a beast. But it definitely does feel like a combination between a Typhon and a Creighton. That's kind of cool. Not like a Notorious, even though it's got a Notorious chassis on it. It doesn't flip nearly as easily. But, of course, if I change the tires, that would change. That would change everything. All right, let's try a backflip on it. Backflip with belted tires, not usually very good, but I think this can do it. Yes. It's a little tricky, but took a lot of power. Beautiful. That was awesome. Hope that camera got it. I'm gonna need to move that camera. I have a feeling once I get confident with this thing and really dial it in, this could be a trickster, especially with different tires, like I don't know, backflip LPs. Slap wheelie. Ooh. All right, buddy, let's see what you got. Blue Steel. Oh, barely. Barely pulled that off. Oh yeah, listen to that. Those shocks are dialed. 70K. Oh. I was thinking I shouldn't have done that, but I pulled it off. I hit the nose on that. Hit the nose. This is so fun, guys. Highly recommended. Ooh, popped it on the landing. Landed on the throttle. That wasn't good. Bruh. Something happened there. Hopefully just the motor wires came out. Oh yeah, motor. Uh-oh. Oh no, ESC came unhooked. Unscrewed. So it's actually loose in here. Ooh, that's hot. So this, maybe that, hopefully that's just what it was. But seeing as this somehow came unbolted from, maybe I didn't use long enough screws. But seeing as how that happened, I don't think I should be driving it much more. Let's just make sure it works. Please work. Yay. All right. What an awesome rig, guys. What a beauty. She handled well. She did some backflips. She did some jumps. She did some land bashing. And she took it like a champ. Truggified Typhon for the win. I hope you guys enjoyed this 3-part series. This really took a lot of work. I'm not sure I want to be doing too many more build videos, to be honest. Or at least for a while. But it made for some good content. I hope you guys enjoy it and agree. And I'll see you in the next bash. Thanks. Take care.